Hello YouTube. uh, Today's video is about this saw. It is Bosch PFZ550 and it's 550 watt. It's a kind of multi saw, or you can say reciprocating saw. What's in here? It says made in Switzerland and 550 watt, right? And that's how the front looks like, right? So how you change the blade? It will take this type of blade, okay? Right, so how basically it goes in, it's like this way. Yeah, all these tools are facing down, and when you put it in like that, basically you're gonna go here. You see that one Allen key, so Allen key should be here somewhere, and there you go. So just pull it out, the Allen keys come out, and turn it around, and you put the key in, twist around about 2-3 times, and it should open, should loose up, and then this goes in like that, and then you just screw it back on until it gets tight. All right, okay, and here we go. Is the blade is on. Oh, I've done it with one hand, not bad. Okay, hope you like the video, and please like and subscribe for future videos, and hope to see you soon. All right, take care, bye.